The following movie is rated I.
What's up, Minitruck? You're gonna have to haul some kayaks for us today, buddy. Show everybody how good you start. Perfect. I really do have to make my little cluster. Go to Swamp River. And the wife is going. Believe that? Mama's not going to want to ride in there with all them cobwebs. Look at the cobwebs. Spiders. This kayak doesn't have a drain on it. Either side. We'll fix that. I don't have any rubber plugs, but I do have these type. There. All loaded up, Minnie. Bungeed down. Let's go.
I lost the weight off.
Swamp River, yeah.
We're in it. There.
Swamp River runs from Green Mountain Lake in Pawling all the way up to the 10-mile river in Dover Plains. It's 10 miles in a straight line and over 20 miles with all the zigzags.
No motorboating.
I like motorboating. Well, let's see how far we can get. There's no place like those holders on this. If I put it in here, the rod holder. That'll work though, actually. As long as I don't drop it putting it in the water. Oh wow. Oh. Jeez. Cheapo reel, but someone must have sat on it, huh? Did you line them up when you put them together this time? Use the middle hole. Oh, you got it not lined up. Yeah. Look at the two paddles.
Oh, I don't know why you like that.
Just 3 holes. Stick it in the middle hole.
That's what she said.
You can flip it that way if you're an aggressive paddler, I guess. Would you like me to hold the boat for you?
I didn't think it was going to.
Push. Oh, forgot my hat. It's a slow moving river. Oh.
Lily pads. They got flowers.
Oh, lily pads, huh?
Yeah.
I think we should go downstream, which is north, because supposedly it flows backwards. Say cheese, Mommy.
Cheese, Mommy. Hi.
Must be your soap. Well, there's definitely fish in here. Might be too murky to see them. No, we're not going to see any monkeys, and we're not going to see any alligators.
No.
Might see a few turtles. A lot of minnows in here. Wow. I always wanted to fish this from up by the post office since I was a kid, because I'd always see oh, there's a bunch more. They're coming to you. Hundreds. They're little bass. This can be some good fishing. Look at, there's a little bigger bass. Not many people go this way because everybody goes the other way. Probably because of that. All the trees. It is actually clear up here, huh?
Flies hang now.
3 dragonflies, none on me. See how much of these logs we can get around, huh? There's a lot.
Put me a little chainsaw on the back.
I know. Oh, there, I pushed it down for you. I know, we should have took the chainsaw. I don't want to break another oar. Here comes a train. That's the post office bridge already? Well, yeah, I guess there's no other bridge between here and there. It just seems like we traveled so far. You can hear the train barely hitting on the tracks. There's a turtle on a stump over there. Oh, they're bailing out. Bailing out. Last one. He's staying. Where would you load to get there? That would have to be from the back of the golf course. Maybe they own it. What do you mean? Nah, keep going till we can't go anymore. Yeah, a lot of dragonflies. Probably laying their eggs. Maybe we'll see a big water snake. Oh, they cut themselves a little path to get out. Or they keep themselves a path clean. Maybe it was an old schoolhouse. I wonder what the story is on that house. Huh. Oh yeah. We should be able to make it under there. More turtles on your right. What's all that racket? Right, Mr. Turtle? Think we can clear that bridge? Looks like it. Might have to lay down a little. Man, I should go magnet fishing here. Holy cow. This is low. Woo!
I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
You don't?
No. Oh, there's people up there with the tree workers.
You're claustrophobic?
Yes.
Hope they're not dropping a tree in the water.
There's a guy standing there. You better go first.
Oh yeah. Guess we picked a bad day to go kayaking. Oh, something's coming in out of there. There's definitely animals going up and down. In and out of water. Gotta hydrate, am I right? Full of turtles here. Got a little log jam. Sorry, Mr. Turtle. There we go. You doing it? Watch out for that one. It's pretty narrow through here. Jeez. Oh yeah, I could have took the canoe. I didn't think of that. Don't forget, we got to row upstream through this stuff. Yeah, it's either that or call Nick and have him pick us up. Yeah, this river is flowing north. You can see the current now. Jeffro was right. Oh, there it is, look. Is it?
It's not a turtle.
Definitely not a turtle.
Almost always if there's train tracks.
Yeah, white life jacket for Gizmo. Oh, there goes a duck.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, could be deer. Oh, that's fresh. Something fresh. Yeah, this is a tough spot. And it's got a little current. And there's nowhere to paddle. You'll be ready to go to Colorado on a whitewater rapids.
Oh,
And then you got to have the kind of boat that has the rim that goes around it so the water doesn't come in the kayak. Oh, that was dumb. Something flipping in the water. Jesus. What, didn't you hear that big splash behind me? No. Right to the railroad tracks. Oh. You're on a log. Like a bump on a log in the deep blue sea. I tried to push you off and I got myself stuck. You got it. There. That's a big tree. Low bridge. Still don't like it under here? Why not? I definitely should go magnet fishing here. People throw guns and everything over the side of the bridges. This is a nice low bridge to check it out. Or bring it on a kayak. Then we can kind of go all the way out and drag it. Have a drag line. I Put a magnet on it. Here's someone. Someone said kayak. Sound like Peter Griffin. Want to follow their trail back to their house? I bet you they got a little. Oh man, something big right there. Oh, it must have been a fish, maybe. Yeah, right there. Follow that right back. Hey, Mr. Turtle. What's going on? You're not scared at all. Train coming back through. It must have went all the way up to Wasaic. It doesn't go to Amenia. That's a rail trail now. Don't lose your hat. Huh, what's that say? Fishing stream. Well, how do you get there? Bass must have got him, but didn't finish him off. Huh. Getting close, there's a chimney. Looks like that bridge is deteriorating a little. Wow, there's some plumbing or whatever going through that too. Burst. The salt did it. You can see it. Got stalactites of salt on this side. Jeez. Yeah. What's up, Beanie? All strapped up. That was fun. I have to do it again sometime.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.